How to install. The bracket snaps on by aligning the 4 screws on the back of the instrument. Tighten the fixing bracket with a screwdriver. Remove the screws on the side of the instrument. Align the screw holes of the bracket with the screw holes on the instrument. Fix with screws. Right bracket mounts the same way. Handle marking on the back of the instrument. Connect the handles in sequence according to the marking. Place each of the attached handles on the bracket. Connect the power supply and turn on the power switch. Time. Energy. Tap Start. Apply gel to the operation site. Operate by circling or moving slowly. Time. RF operating mode. RF power. Suction. Relax. Direct suction mode when relax is 0. Tap Start. Negative pressure suction size. Apply RF cream to the operation site. You need to massage the RF cream until it is slightly absorbed. When relax is not 0. When relax is 0. Time. RF operating mode. RF operating mode. Tap Start. Apply gel to the operation site. Operate by circling or moving slowly. Apply gel to the operation site. Operate by circling or moving slowly. Time. Energy. Laser mode. The laser plate is first secured to the operating site with straps. Tap Start again. Time. Energy. You need to avoid the fan cooler when holding it in your hand, otherwise, it will affect the heat dissipation and cooling. Use with gels and masks. Time. Bio mode. Bio power. LED color. Use with gels, essences and masks. Operate under seal. Time. Energies. Tap Start. Start with low energy and slowly increase the energy as the client gets used to it.